have seen on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook that certain practitioners do not wrap their plasma pen when they're treating patients. This bears a huge risk for infections and for cross-contamination because, quite frankly, the plasma pen cannot be washed underwater because it is an electrical machine. So it can only be wiped clean and sterilized, and it has little gaps here and there, what makes it really difficult to get really into that gap and those nitty bits to make sure your plasma pen is perfectly sterile and clean. So there are things you can do to make sure that you as a patient are safe and you as a practitioner do the right thing, and that is wrapping your plasma pen. Usually we only know the wrapping procedure from when you get a body tattoo or an eyebrow tattoo. You know how those machines are wrapped in blue, black, pink, plastic, and lots of grip tape. That's exactly what we're going to do with the plasma pen today. So we wash our hands, we put some disinfectant hand sanitizer on our hands, then we struggle to get those gloves on. As a next step, we grab that alcohol swab, rip that open, and give our plasma pen a very thorough wipe all the way through to make sure that we've minimized the cross-contamination and eliminated everything in regards to bacteria that could be dangerous to our clients. In the next step, we will be sliding our plasma pen, mind me, this is difficult once you have your gloves on, into the plastic wrapper and slide that all the way through. To make sure that the plastic doesn't keep flapping around, we use that grip tape and wrap that around very firmly around our plasma pen, especially here in the front, to make sure that plastic sits really tight. And then we also wrap it all the way down over our plasma pen, making sure it's fully sealed and we're all nice and safe. That grip tape you can get from the brow shop, from any tattoo supplier in all different colors depending on what you like. I currently have little panda bears on mine. But yeah, that's how a plasma pen is perfectly wrapped, how it's perfectly safe, and how it should look like when someone is performing the fibroblast plasma skin tightening treatment on you, or if you're the provider, that's how you should be wrapping your plasma pen to make sure everyone's perfectly safe.